What's up, YouTube? So, just a quick one today. I want to go over how I actually go about doing my analysis every weekend to set myself up for the trading week. So, I want to hop into Tradingview here. If you come on to Tradingview, I'll just show you how to get to it. Tradingview, products, screeners, and then you're going to, oopsie daisy. So, we're going to go Tradingview, home, products, screeners, and we want to pull up the forex screener. So itchy nose, 1 second. So give us a bunch of data. We don't need any of that. All I want to see is the percentage change. So I don't need any of that crap. It is just overcomplicating it, just too many numbers on the screen. So I am just looking for the biggest movers. So I just want to come down here and just see the, I want to order it by percentage change. There we go. So we can see NZD JPY was the biggest mover this week. So I want to look at all of the top movers and then pull them up. And they're the ones I want to be monitoring, because if we're in a range bound market, I don't want to be trading that. I don't want to be putting myself in a position where I can get chopped up. And I know everyone's different. Some people, they just monitor, let's say 1 to 3 pairs, and they will just focus on them. As I said, it's all down to personality. Everyone can do what they want to do. For me personally, because I just have one setup, I'm looking for trading conditions. So I want the market to be set up in a way that will likely lead to that setup. So if I'm going to be patient enough to just trade one move in the market, because I'm becoming more concise or precise on my setup, that means I can broaden my horizons for, or I can monitor more pairs, let's say. Excuse my fucking shite English right now. It is almost 1 a.m. but I said I'm going to be posting a weekly hypothesis or a weekly outlook video every Sunday, starting this Sunday. And consistency requires consistency in the markets and outside of it. So I told myself I'm going to do it. I have to get it done tonight. This is also my 3rd time recording this. The microphone was not recording, and then just other technical issues. So here we go. But yeah, I'll just give a quick talk through my analysis now, and then if any of these turn into a trade, I will then do a trade breakdown on that. So the setup that I take, it's based on the way that Stacey Burke teaches. It's a low-hanging fruit trade, it's called. So what I'm doing when I come to the charts is I am looking for, so I come onto TradingView and I see which are the top movers. So I can pull up one of them. So let's see the big mover, Euro NZD. Let's check that out. I haven't done that already, have I? No, I haven't. So let's pull up Euro NZD. Gonna move this, Euro NZD. Lovely. So new chart window, don't need to see that anymore. And now I'm just gonna add my template, Stacy. So when I'm looking, okay, so immediately I can see I don't want to monitor this. So I'm not gonna add this, even though we had a big mover on Friday. So we can see Friday opened up here and closed down here. That 0.3 something percentage change, 0.31. So that's a big move. Friday was a huge day in the markets with all the news and everything. So we did have a lot of movement. But on a normal day, that would be a huge move, which I would want to capitalize on. However, because we're still in this range bound scenario, I do not want to go anywhere near this until we break out of there. So immediately I can see that's there. I'm just going to delete it now. Close. There we go. So it's got nothing. Those type of trading conditions are not what I want to be trading. If I had the choice, why would I choose something that's in the middle of a box in the matrix? So I want to be trading outside of the boxes, or at least once price has broken outside, because then we have a lot of liquidity in the market which we can use for the move. So Day one's long, day two's long. I can see my my camera is lagging now, but I'm not recording this a fourth time. So blurry video it is. I'll just wrap it up quickly, but just want to talk through what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to give us to build up over 3 days. So we have 3 days worth of liquidity. So here I can see immediately what I'm looking for is a range, a peak formation outside of the range, and for that to fail. So here we have, I pulled this up once I saw that there was a large ranging day on Friday, and then I started marking it up. So I outlined the range here, saw where the peak formation was and where it failed. So this to me becomes day one, and now we've had day two short. So I will not go near this pair until we've broken outside of this level. Once we've broken out of here, what I'm looking for is a peak formation to fail and then 2 breaks of structure on the inside, and then I will look to take this long. Apart from that, I'm not touching it. And then again with Euro USD, same again, looking for day one, day two, and I will not touch this until we break outside of this level. Put in a peak formation and get 2 breaks of structure on the inside. So we can see here it came last week, trade that I broke down. Day one, day two, day three, peak formation outside of the range, break of structure, low hanging fruit trade. Similar with NZD USD, day one, day two, GBP USD, same story. Gold, we've had level one, so level one, day one short, looking lovely for some shorts now, but I will not be trading it until we get day one, day two, day three. S&P, absolute monstrous move, looking lovely for some longs now. We'll probably see this area filled, but I will not be trading it until we get day 1, 2, 3 days of rise, peak formation, looking to short it. Here is what we are talking about. So this has been range bound since last Thursday. So we have Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 7 days of liquidity, all in this range. And then because of the screener, it told me to pull this pair up. I can see that we've broken out of that, had day one short, so now we likely get, I'm looking for day two, day three short, peak formation, and then I can take this trade long. I don't care whether the pair is going long term. I don't know. I'm not even looking at the daily chart right now. I'm looking to execute my setup. So this could, by all means, just be a pullback to continue down. But if my setup's there, I'm going to execute it. And then that way, I just have absolute clarity on the markets, and I'm not looking for anything else that can just cause confusion and just more entropy. Here's a slightly different setup: day 1, day 2, day 3, peak formation, and then breakdown day 1. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As I said, I will touch base if this analysis plays out and I do end up taking any of these trades. But apart from that, I will be doing this every Sunday and posting much more regularly. So have a great week trading, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.